This is the report on Patina, just having come away from Patina Fari Islands up in the North Male Atoll. About a 50-minute boat ride on a good day, maybe an hour on a not so good day from Mali. This is the water villa. Superb views, and first impressions of the villa are just, it feels like home. It's so comfortable. The views are superb. It's a light, airy room. Beautiful outside space. Again, a bit like Ritz, same kind of designs. You can have this open, decent sized pool and a really nice sized deck. Generally, thumbs up. We love it. Really nice. Love the concept. Love the vibe. It's at that 5-star deluxe level, but it's got a down-to-earth, laid-back feel. So an understated elegance, if you like. It's not trying to be the corporate type of hotel that maybe the Ritz is. State-of-the-art facilities everywhere. The gym's beautiful. The spa is beautiful. Dining options galore. We are questioning them about their sort of half-board, and whether there's a half-board dine around. We're just yet to see whether that's going to prevail for the peak season and moving into next year. So at the moment, I probably would book it on B&B and then just dine around as you wish, because there's so many choices. It's got a house reef, which is very exciting. Even though we went off onto another reef yesterday, we also swam from our water villa very easily out onto the reef. It's just beautiful, and it's right opposite Helengeli, which, if some of you know, is a superb reef as well. So great, lots of fish life, lots of marine life, and some corals coming back. Kids club is like, the kids will have died and gone to heaven. I mean, it's not a Soneva Fushi den, but it's got everything they could possibly want, even down to 3D printers making them little race cars. So it's got everything. The general manager, Marco, has got a lot of experience, and I think has got great plans for the future there. We've also got a new RM that arrived on resort very recently. He's also looking into the operations side of things. So really the only thing that we felt just hindered it a little is the level of service for where it's aiming. I think it just dropped the ball a few times, which we've spoken to them about, and they're aware. It's just that they've almost grown too quickly, and they haven't quite got the number of staff on resort to cope with it all at the moment, but they will have very shortly. So we will revisit in February or March next year to go and see how it's growing. Something to be aware of is that it's a totally man-made island, and so the beach is man-made, and the beach is, the sand has been brought in and shoveled in from the sea, and it can get a bit grainy. So it is grainy at the moment. It's not one of those beautiful sandy beaches that you walk down. It's definitely a bone of contention for them. They will sort it, they'll sift it. A positive that I want to mention is the artwork around the island. It's incredible, some of it, and quite futuristic. The toiletries that are all over the island and being used in the spa are actually from Margate, believe it or not. So it's great to see a little company like that providing some beautiful toiletries and fragrances to the island. And the last major positive for the resort is what a boat it's got. It came from Hong Kong. It's the most incredible James Bond style boat. It just is amazing. I think the rates are 900 an hour, something like that, maybe. Forgive me, we'll find out for you, but I was very, very tempted to take it out. If we'd had time, we may well have done. If the level of service can be up there, then I think it's a fantastic option for those of you who've been to Four Seasons, who have been to Sonevas, and have been to Vakaru and above, and Milaidu. I think it's a different option, and it's a great overall resort. Thumbs up.